In this video, we're going to find a variable expression using a strip model. So if we have a problem like this that says determine the variable expression represented by the strip model, and we could see three y's here, a 2 and a 4. So you need to change this into a variable expression. So write out what the model represents as an equation. So here we have y, 2, and 4, and we add them all together, right? So this is what this is showing us. So the next thing is, let's combine the like terms. And these are like terms. The y's are the like terms. So there are 3 y's in the model. That is the same as 3 times y, or 3y. So this is 3y. And then this is just equal to 6, because 2 plus 4 equals 6. So the total length of this model is 3y plus 6. And that's how you create a variable equation. And don't worry if you don't get that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, I have links in the description to other videos of mine that are similar to this. And don't forget to download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find this exact lesson, and you could follow along as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.